Today I will show you how to make passion fruit dessert cups with fresh passion fruit. Sawadee-ka everyone! Monday, new recipe! I'm Lin. Welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here and you want to learn how to cook Thai food recipes, learn Thai cuisine, and discover Thai local food, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell to make sure you don't miss any recipes. However, today is not really a Thai recipe, but I saw a picture on Instagram and I wanted to try. Talking about that, go check on my Instagram for yummy photos. And also, I would love when you cook one of my recipes that you take a photo, post on Instagram and tag me. Okay, now let's cook this panna cotta. Are you ready? Intro! First, I will taking care of fresh passion fruits. I will cut them in half. And now we will use a spoon to get all the seeds and the juice out of it straight to a bowl. I use around 8 to 12 fresh passion fruit. That will give you around 200 ml of fresh juice. Next, add 200 ml of milk in the pot. Add 1.5 teaspoon of gelatin. Stir a bit and leave it about 10 minutes to let gelatin dissolve. Turn on the gas, low heat. Still stir. Add sugar. Add vanilla syrup. Keep stir. Then add 250 ml of whipping cream. We will stir until everything smooth. Then turn off the heat and pour in your glass. No need to fill it full because we still have to put our passion fruit layer after. Before we add the passion fruit layer, we will let it set in the fridge about 4 hours. Once our panna cotta is set, we will start boil passion fruit with sugar, a pinch of salt, and gelatin. Turn on the gas, low heat, give it stir. Keep stirring until everything is mixed together. And once everything is smooth, everything is dissolved, turn off the heat and pour it on top of panna cotta. Right away, we will put it in the fridge and leave it like that for 2 hours. And then it's ready to serve. Honey, this time is good. Come to try.
It's good?
Yeah, this
Good
time
for-
is
good for real?
Good for real.
Okay, let's see.
Why you steal my spoon?
Alright, let's see.
It's very fresh.
Yeah. Oh yeah. It's the best one. Why the best one? This recipe, you can go check on Instagram, we will add photos. I think we are trying this recipe for 2 weeks. First of all, she just couldn't do it. Then she did it, but it was way too sweet. And then she had the good recipe, but we had some technical problems with the filming. So we had to postpone the filming, like film again. This time,
good.
it's the good one.
Yeah.
I just can't stand panna cotta anymore. But this one is good.
Now I'm the best person to make panna cotta.
Oh yeah, trust me. It's sweet but not too sweet.
Yeah.
It's fresh. Maybe you can give them the advice you were talking at the beginning.
The first and the second time I failed, right? Because I thought I bought the right cream to make panna cotta. But actually I buy the wrong one. You have to make sure that you buy 100% whipping cream, not just whipped cream or something like that, because that is the first one I bought and it makes your panna cotta like, yeah.
Kaput.
It's not panna cotta. Now I got a lot of experience about panna cotta.
Yeah, this time is good.
I like it. Normally I don't like much dessert, but this one is not sweet, only sweet. They have sour taste, like I said.
I think it's a good dessert for hot weather, actually. Yeah.
Oh, almost finished. I'm happy now. My
too.
panna cotta is perfect.
I will not eat panna cotta anymore for at least a month.
And you? Do you have any recipe that give you a hard time? Is have to take more than one time to do it? If yes, tell me in the comments. I really want to know what's that. As always, don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah,
it's free.
It's free.
And click on the notification bell or notification to make sure you will not miss any recipes. And share to your friends. And another one, show that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
See you next time.
โอเคค่ะ ขอบคุณค่ะ
ขอบคุณครับ
บ๊ายบาย I will enjoy my perfect panna cotta this time.
I enjoyed already.